Ever wondered how one of your favorite beverages is made? Today I'll be showing you how to make your own Bournvita at home. It's simple, cheap, delicious and nutritious. Good for every member of the family. So skip the store-bought version and create a healthier alternative in just a few simple steps with ingredients that are very much within your reach. Hello my beautiful people and welcome to my kitchen my way. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. And please do well to share, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified when next I post another video. Please don't mind my voice, I have a cough. Also ignore the barking in the background, I beg. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the ingredients I'll be using to make the Bournvita today. I will do well to leave the measurement in the description of this video. So I'll be using 2 cups of cocoa powder, 4 cups of icing sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 egg whites, and then some flavor. I used both vanilla and milk flavor. So in a clean bowl, I'll be putting in my cocoa powder like so. I will then add in my 4 cups of icing sugar. Please don't be like me. Do well to grind your icing sugar into a complete powder. It makes the work easier and faster for you. Me, I just turned the icing sugar like that and poured it on top of the cocoa powder. So it took time for it to mix very well. Even at that, you could still see some white lumps of the icing sugar in it. So please do well to grind your icing sugar into a complete powder before you add it to your cocoa powder. So after mixing the two, that's the icing sugar and the cocoa powder, I now go in with my milk like so, and then I mix it very well. Make sure you give it a very good mix until everything is well combined like this. Just mix it very well. You can see I still have some lumps of icing sugar. This is something I will have avoided. I now add in my flavor. That's the mixture of the vanilla and the milk flavor. Like I said, I will leave the measurement in the description of this video, so you can do well to check it out there. So you mix all the dry ingredients together. Make sure everything is well combined. You have to give it a thorough mix, especially if your icing sugar is not grounded like my own. So after that, I broke the 2 egg whites and beat it with an electric mixer. If you don't have an electric mixer, you can use a fork or a whisk. Any one of it can do. Just beat it and add the egg white into your dry ingredients, a little at a time, and just spread it. Don't put it in one place. Distribute it evenly like so, and don't put everything at the same time. Just put like half and then mix it well before you add the remaining half like this. Give it a very good mix. You can see this white icing sugar is showing in this thing just because I didn't grind it. Please don't be like me, I beg. Make sure you grind your icing sugar very well. After mixing it, you now line your baking tray with a parchment paper like this and turn it onto your baking tray. All these white spots will have been avoided if only I had grinded the icing sugar. So you can see I am reiterating this. Please grind your icing sugar. If possible, sieve it before you mix it with your cocoa powder. It gives it a very fine finish, and it also makes your work easier and faster too. So you spread it well, let it be evenly distributed on the baking tray before you put it into your oven to dry. Just spread it like this, and then you just slot it into your oven on medium heat, low or medium heat. Then allow it to dry. There you have it, Bournvita made from the comfort of your kitchen. Thank you for watching and hope you will give it a try. Please let me know how your own turned out in the comments section. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, eat good. Bye and thanks for watching.